back on. In fact, I'm going to be in 3D, so look at the monitor, not me. Now, before we start, we should calibrate the instruments so that it works properly. And so if I could ask us to bring on the electronic calibration system, if you could just look at the bubbles. I know this is a cheap trick. Is it working for you? Yes. Thank you very much for that calibration. Unlike Dan, who grew up in the 60s, I was born in the 60s. And unlike Dan, who watched Apollo 11, my first encounter with space was in fact Star Trek. And so today we're going to talk a great deal about similarities between Star Trek and the work that we're doing. This is a conference about developers. In fact, as a first, this is the first conference for GPU developers. Never in the history of the computer industry has there been a developers conference for programming GPUs. And look how large it is. Dan gave you some statistics, and as you wander the halls, you're going to realize the breadth and the excitement of work that's being done on GPUs. All started by CUDA as we kicked off the GPU computing revolution. And so I want to thank all of you for being here. This is a conference about the developers of GPUs, but this is also a conference about the entire ecosystem. For people who are developing content on GPU, or developing applications on GPUs, as well as the people whose work are transformed in some fundamental way by GPUs. And you're going to see examples